Hey guys, this is Cody from Syngency, and in this video I'm going to go over booking statuses and schedule types. Syngency uses the concept of a booking status to indicate at which stage in the billing cycle a booking is. So let's go ahead and go up to the top of our dashboard and click on bookings, and I'll show you an example booking we have in here. So here in the general details you'll see status, and if you click the drop down you can select from a variety of statuses. Open means the booking is tentative or penciled in or isn't yet confirmed by the client. Non-billable means the booking is confirmed but won't be invoiced, generally used for castings or test shoots. Billable means the booking is confirmed and will be invoiced upon completion. Invoice ready means the booking has been completed and is ready to be invoiced. Invoiced, of course, means an invoice has been created and sent to the client for payment. Closed means the client has made the payment, talent have been paid, and the billing process is fully complete. And canceled means the booking was canceled. Not to be confused with the individual schedule types of the talent within the booking, the status is specific to the booking overall. However, you will notice that the colors of the open, non-billable, and billable statuses correspond with the same colors used for option, casting, and confirmed schedule types. And with that said, let's jump into schedule types. So over here on the left-hand side, you'll see we have two talent for this job. Let's go ahead and click one of them here. And here at the top, we have two schedules set for this talent. There's a test and an option. And the way that you can change these or add more is pretty simple. You can click here to add more schedules. So if they get a callback or something, you can add in more and adjust the times and details accordingly. Or you can also click in here and see the type of schedules. And there's quite a bit in here. Now you can select whichever one you need that pertains to your job, and you can edit these anytime you need as well. And that's pretty much it for schedules, schedule types, and booking statuses.